Hi everyone, I'm Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at insideHPC, and I'm at the Penguin Solutions booth with Phil Pokorny. He's Chief Technology Officer at Penguin. Phil, tell us a little about your role at the company and also what the products and services you're showcasing this week at the conference.
Yeah, so as CTO for Penguin Solutions, I kind of serve as the lead and engineer of last resort for some of our customers. So I get to play with all the new stuff, kind of imagine what the future could look like, but then also help our teams solve problems at customer sites.
Please tell us a little bit more about the software offerings at Penguin.
Yeah, so our primary software offering that we're showing here at the show is Skilled Clusterware, and this is currently version 11, but we've announced that we're releasing version 12, which is the latest in a very long line of software that dates all the way back to Don Becker at NASA when Beowulf clustering was invented.
Wow.
And this Beowulf-style clustering and our clusterware allows us to manage small to large clusters and has a number of really interesting features that we're excited to show customers.
Okay, so who would be most interested in these products and services?
Yeah, so the Skilled Clusterware is really, sort of an admin's dream. It offers it helps you manage, herd all these cats, if you will, that are a Beowulf cluster. It gives you the support tools for doing change control, managing system images, and automating and capturing all the things that you need to do to keep a cluster up and functional.
Okay, so for people who are interested and want to learn more, what should they do?
Yeah, so we encourage you, just call our sales, 1-888-PENGUIN, and we'll be happy to hook you up with a sales engineer that'll talk with you about, what you want to do, both hardware, software, storage, AI, what your workflow is, what problems you're having. We have services where we'll actually manage the cluster for you. So if you're like, look, I don't want to create user accounts, I don't want to have to do any of that stuff, we can help them even with those kinds of level of things.
Okay, excellent. So we've been with Phil Pokorny. He's CTO at Penguin Solutions. Phil, thanks so much.
Thank you very much, Doug.